What's up? This is Backyard Builds. It's going to be an interesting video, but what you see behind me is a 71 Cb350. You might be seeing footage of it in a previous state here shortly, but this is a motorcycle that we are chopping the frame on and making a monoshock, and pretty much doing a semi-restoration type deal, just messing with it and getting better at working on bikes. So we're actually at a different point than you're going to see in this video, but we're going to play catch up, and you're going to see us tear this bike down and start doing some work on it. And then the videos coming after this will be regular uploads of shop night progress as we work on this bike. So Brandon here behind me, he's gonna roll some footage for you guys of some of the work we've been doing on this, and then you'll get some regular uploads after that of nightly shop videos, or twice, something like that. Anyway,
roll the film.
roll the film.
As you can see, it's been sitting in this field for a long time. Obviously, the rust is probably the greatest feature at the moment, but we're hoping that we can get it started and possibly take it for a spin before we start the tear down and do some customization.
So much better.
Yeah.
That wheel on that die grinder is very scary.
This bike's going to be converted to a monoshock, which you will be seeing a picture on the screen right now of what we're aiming to look like. We've been messing with supports for the shocks today, and I'll give you a little preview of what we're working on here. This is where your regular shock would mount. You'll get a post here. All of this stuff from here and here will be cut off. So these will come up, and you'll have a bar going across here, and we'll have a shock mounted from here to here. And you can cut it. I'll grab the shock. You can chop that up too. Make that two separate. For me, when I'm explaining.
There's a missing piece. We'll see how long it takes.
That was under me. It works. Okay. There's going to be a shock mounted about here. It's going to mount right there. And then you'll have your seat will be more of a higher seat, more of a cafe style. So this would be a monoshock type design. I haven't seen it down on Cb350s. I've seen it down on the bike we're using as to give us an idea of what we're doing. That's a Cb350, but it's a different model. It's a 4-cylinder, and they had a different frame. These have a press frame. It's a little different. Well, did it shut?
Yeah.
For now, I would just cut it right there.
I'll leave a little bit sticking out.
Yeah, yeah.
And we can grind
You
it
know what?
out.
Go lower.
Yeah, there's some stuff going on in here.
That's where they store the wiring.
What?
That's where they store the wiring.
Yeah.
That's all holding that load.
Could be worse. Could be worse. It could be worse. Not much. It could be worse.
I don't know what it is.
I have no idea what that is.
What?
That. The Honda's got a Woody.
Maybe that's where they grab it.
Where what? Who grabs what?
They grab it. I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know. Tell me what the
I
thing
need
is. And I'll give you
context.
the definition.
What's the country of origin?
Uranus.
Fair. That's a planet, but I'll.
There's a cactus and see what it looks like. I mean, interesting. I just don't know how centered it is.
Something with guns.
We're gonna probably be putting like all new hardware on this thing. Too.
Yeah, I got that vibe too.
I mean, probably gonna need new hardware just because Jesse is stripping and beating the crap out of everything in his way.
Hey, Brandon.
So, corners was asking about. This will get cut down. That right there, that weird nipple back.
Yeah.
This will get welded directly to that. Then, this will get notched. That'll get notched, and so it'll sit on this
Into that.
like that.
Yeah.
And then this will set roughly like that.
I got you.
And that is all she wrote.
Top.
But I'm just getting done with this bottom half.
I mean, this is by far the hardest piece of the.
Yeah, I just want it to look right, you know?
Yeah.
It looks way too shiny.
See, I think what we're gonna
have to rust it.
What we're gonna end up doing here is cutting this back and making this flat,
Yeah.
and then welding a plate straight across there.
Yeah.
So it closes
We
off.
just need to retain.
Then we'll have
somewhere to mount this
yeah,
tank.
we'll have to weld that back on top then.
I guess I could just cut these welds.
Yeah.
This one thing I won't be needing.
Come on.
Not until he says so. It's still smoking and it's in his hand. So what do you think? We're mid part in the teardown? Almost complete in the teardown?
Yeah. We pull the engine out and then send it to sandblasting hopefully Wednesday. If we
Take the engine out and pull the forks off. And
Yeah.
goes off them.
I'll call and make an appointment tomorrow for when it's in free.
So that is Hank.
Stand for how long?
Dropper.
This problem. Yeah. That's a good back, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Push it once? Yeah. Oh, okay, I thought she has. How are you gonna steer? Alright. Yeah, good.
We go backwards.
No, we got this.
I wish we had another creeper. Put on this front.
Wait,
There should be another creeper here.
there's not, but there's that, either seat.
No.
Nah, we're good. Yeah, just,
Back a little bit more.
I can spin in full circle.
Yeah, just do that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, door.
Gosh, it's on tilt. This is going to be a very complete restoration.
Yeah. This is this is terrible. That's kind of the easy part. How are we gonna go down all those stoots?
There we go. Brandon, push me in. Yeah, how are we going to go in?
Alright.
So, right here, I'll carry my hand over.
It's not you.
Wow. Let's never do that again. Let's get to a different point. Let's get that suspension on before we move it back again.